Religion is a matter of experience. Merely by becoming a member of church, creed, or sect, a person cannot be entitled to this experience. By reading any amount of scriptures and sacred books, he cannot be granted this experience. By the observance of rites, ceremonies, or worship, a man cannot come by this experience. Spiritual realization is a question of individual effort and struggle. It is a purification of heart and elimination of the intellect which alone can lift him from the human to the divine plane. The man of true religion, when he is on the path, is mainly concerned with his own internal struggle for liberation and peace. He offers a steady and sustained fight to the enemies within him that obstruct his passage into the realm of God. His one sole aim is to totally live in the divine light and life. He conserves and concentrates all the power of his understanding, heart, and activities for the realization of this supreme state. Before he attains the goal, he would naturally shrink from preaching to others the great truth of spiritual experience. One cannot infuse into another the spirit of truth unless one has the fullest knowledge and experience of it. True religion is a religion of love founded upon the clear knowledge and perception of the unity of all life and its varied expressions. The realization of one's immortality constitutes the spiritual goal. Love for all beings and creatures in the world is based upon his height of realization. Here love works with such an infinite vision that it breaks down all the barriers of caste, creed, and color. He beholds the eternal beloved of his heart manifest in all beings and creatures. This love refuses to be circumscribed by any limitation because it flows with such an irresistible force that it demolishes all the boundaries. If humanity aims at real unity and peace, every man and woman must practice this true religion and become conscious of the one true God who is the one parent of all beings and creatures in this world. To be united with the God is therefore to realize unity with mankind. This is the only solution to the present day world problem so created by the spirit of distrust, hate, dissension and war. Jai Gurudev.